In this video, I'll guide you through how to find duplicates in Airtable, whether you're cleaning up a contact list, product catalog, or any other kind of database. Being able to quickly spot duplicate records will help keep your workspace clean and reliable. I'll walk you through a simple method using Airtable's built-in features, so you don't need any complicated formulas or extensions. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to airtable.com. Sign in if you're not already logged in, and once you're in, you'll see your workspaces and bases. A base is basically your main project or database in Airtable, and each base can contain several tables. Go ahead and open the base that contains the information you want to check for duplicates. Next, inside that base, choose the specific table you're interested in. For example, if you have a contacts table or an inventory table, click on that. This is important because the method we're about to use will only apply to the table you have open, not the entire base. Now, take a look at the top of the screen where your view options are. This is where you can switch between things like grid view, form view, or Kanban. You'll want to start in a regular grid view so you can easily see your records in rows. Near the top left of the grid view, you'll see the filter and sort options. At this point, you can either click the filter icon to refine which records you're looking at, or, if you prefer to keep things organized, create a new view first. Creating a new view is helpful because it keeps your main view unchanged and lets you dedicate a separate view just for finding duplicates. If you choose to make a new view, give it a name like Check for Duplicates so you can easily find it later. With that view selected, you're ready to use the feature that really makes duplicate finding easy: grouping. Look toward the toolbar and find the option labeled Group. Click it, and Airtable will ask you which field you want to group by. This is a key decision. Choose the field where duplicates would actually matter for you. For contacts, you might group by email address. For products, you might group by SKU or product name. For organizations, you might group by company name. Select that field, and Airtable will instantly reorganize your table. Once the grouping is applied, your records will no longer appear as one long list. Instead, they'll be sorted into collapsible sections, each section representing one value in that field. And this is where potential duplicates become very easy to spot. Any group that has more than one record under the same value is a potential duplicate. For example, if the email group shows 3 entries under the same email address, that usually means you have 3 versions of the same contact. You can now scroll through your grouped view and look for groups that contain multiple records. Review these carefully to decide which entries you want to keep and which you might want to merge or delete. Take your time, especially if small differences between the records matter. That's all you need to do to find duplicates in Airtable using grouping. By opening your base and table, creating or selecting a view, and grouping by the right field, you can quickly highlight records that share the same value and clean up your data with confidence.